Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is Holmberg Window Bird Feeder. This window bird feeder comes pre-built and can be put up in less than 60 seconds. The window-mounted bird feeder will bring the birds to you. Bird feeders for small birds often come with weak and flimsy suction cups. Mount this bird feeder station safely on any window as a squirrel-proof bird feeder alternative to a Garmin bird feeder pole or bird tables, where squirrels can normally reach. This seed tray simply lifts out so that you can refill and clean without any trouble. Typical window birdhouse bird feeders need to be dismounted. Fill up with popular bird seeds such as sunflower hearts, suet pellets, Garmin bird nuts, peanuts, suet balls, suet blocks and mealworms for birds. This deep fill acrylic bird feeder window suction cup feeders are made specifically for small garden birds who love to return. If you already own a bird window feeder, bird table or bird bath for garden gadgets, then this product will bring you even closer to your favorite birds. This designed clear window bird feeders for outside block and obscure your view. Get up close and personal with wild birds such as the robin feeder, starling. The most amazing mom-dad gifts for dad from grandchildren. Number 2 in this best bird feeders for winter list is Squirrel Buster Bird Feeder. Squirrels can no longer steal your wild bird seed. Over a short period of time, this adds up to substantial savings that will pay for the purchase of your feeder. Truly squirrel-proof openings in the shroud align with the feeding ports, providing birds access to the food. When a squirrel climbs onto the feeder, its weight automatically forces the shroud down, closing access to the ports. Squirrels and some large birds are foiled but not harmed in any way. The seed ports have perches for perching birds and the wire shroud provides a surface area for clinging birds. This increases your bird traffic. All feeder parts exposed to squirrels are made with chew-proof materials. Designed to be dismantled by hand into individual components without the use of tools. This allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. Transparent seed tubes trap solar energy. Conventional seed tube designs block the escape of the heated air. Our third pick is XDW Gifts Solar Bird Feeder. This bird feeder is made of high quality and environment-friendly bronze metal, supported by strong enough post in the middle and inclined roof. Durable and sturdy, waterproof and weather resistant. Comes with extra large solar cell and panel, will last 8 to 12 hours lighting your garden at a whole night. The bird feeder hanger is designed with vintage lantern shapes and handmade mosaic glass pieces. The cap and base are made of sturdy copper tone metal. The glass is transparent enough to reflect different sunlight beautifully under different light condition, perfect and beautiful decoration for your garden, backyard. This feeder is easy to fill bird seed. The LED light will detect daytime and nighttime, turn on the switch on the solar panels and gather energy from the sun during the day. The solar-powered bird feeder will glow beautifully, brightness automatically and provides a focal point in the garden at night. The mosaic bird feeder features an inclined roof to shade birds from the sun and rain. What's more, it comes with a metal hook for quick hanging in your favorite birdwatching location. It's easy to fill bird seed, such as a porch or deck overhang or the lower branches of a tree. Different from the previous design in the form of a whole circle of perches, we upgraded the perch structure of the bird feeder to 3 metal perches, which is more conducive to the standing of large birds. Each solar feeder comes with an extended warranty and a 30-day no-reason return. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best bird feeders for winter list is Nature Anywhere Window Feeder. The original window bird feeders for outdoors hanging is designed and made by Nature Anywhere. Constantly improved and developed since 2014. Easy to fill and clean. No need to remove the whole feeder. Simply slide the patented tray out, fill, and slide back in. This is a chore kids will fight over, and elderly hands will have no problem. 4 heavy-duty suction cups ensure your bird feeder is out of squirrels' reach and will never fall. Ever seen a squirrel climbing a glass window they can't? Keep the feeder installed 10 feet away from ledges, gables and branches, and Mr. Nuts doesn't stand a chance. This is one squirrel-safe bird feeder. The patented air circulation system will also keep the seed dry and safe. Window feeder for birds fits onto any plain glass window. This is one of the very best items I have purchased on Amazon. It's extremely well made, sturdy, and attractive. Anyone interested in these bird feeders should have absolutely no hesitations. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Suet bird feeder. This is double suet cake bird feeder. Beautiful bird feeder, can hold 2 suet cakes to attract many species of tree clinging and perching birds such as nuthatches, chickadees, woodpeckers, etc. Satisfy several birds at once, can easily be accessed, thanks to cage grid design that allows feeding on all sides. Square design, easy to fill with suet cakes. Door closure system secures cakes in place. Change feed weekly or when empty. Soak with water to loosen remnants and clean. Suet cakes are excellent sources of energy and attract more wild birds. Our roof protects the suet cake melting from sunshine and diverts rain and snow. Natural brown wood pattern color to blend in with the outdoors. Outdoor feeder made of solid, durable steel with a protective plastic coating finish in extreme rain or snow weather. Feeder includes easy to hang cord with steel loop. Feeder will last for years to enjoy your backyard birds.